Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 16 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to finish the third floor and we added some roof and we added the railings and all the windows and the doors. Now we're gonna continue working on this. So what I want to do now is to model this out. Let's go to ground first, and I want to undo this right here and then move it a little bit on the side because I want it to be connected. So I need to undo this as well. I want my own space right here because I'm planning not to add any more of the border walls here, so it's just gonna be open area. And this one, this floor number 3 here, this will be my grass. So I need to edit this boundary right here. I'm just going to put it out like that. And then this one is going to be extended. And then actually I'm gonna put a little bit more on this side, so I want grass part on this side now. So I'm going to extend this and then pick line here and then trim and extend. Click finish, and I want to see it, and then here we could just edit this boundary right here and then just slide it all the way right here where it meets. So there's no gap. We have the parking area here, and then we have some grass part here. I'm going to edit this boundary right here. And then I'm going to extend this. I rather have some space here, so I'm gonna give it some space, and let's just put this one like that. And then we just need to edit this boundary right here. Pick line and then trim it, and then extend this one a bit. And then next thing is we just need to add this border wall. There we go. Align it, and then we just need to edit this grass. So now this one looks much nicer. We have some room here. They could go around. I'm going to just edit this boundary so that it looks nice. And then this one. So it's easier to just change. And we need to look at on all of them. So we could just add this grass part right here and then another grass part on this side, but we're going to add in some houses on this on both sides as well. And of course we need to add in our sidewalk to make it look nicer. And then after that, let's go to south elevation, and we need to design our wall right here. So we need to go model in place, generic model. I'm gonna use an extrusion, pick a plane, and I'm going to use this wall right here. So I'm gonna connect that wall, and then let's extrude it 500. And then material, we're gonna do those gypsum wallboard but duplicated. Here we need 200 to be consistent with everything else. Let's do finish first and see how it looks. So for some reason it didn't show. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to do it again. So architecture, model in place, generic model, extrusion, pick plane. We're gonna select this wall. Make sure it's 200. There we go. So not sure what happened, if how come it didn't show so for the first time, but at least we're gonna level it first. So level everything else. I'm gonna create the same look. So I'm going to extend this one going around. So we're going to have something extended here. So we're gonna do finish first, and then we're going to have this one here, and then this one as well going around. So in terms of the look here, I'm thinking of extending this one all the way at the top so that everything looks nice. If we check the height from the ground, so 2800, so perfect enough. And then here 2800 as well we're gonna do. So we're gonna model that. So we need to do another model in place, edit this one, and then let's just create another extrusion but similar. So here, select that. I'm gonna do model in place onto here to make everything connected. So here I'm just going to check. This is, need to edit this. $200, align it, and then in terms of dimension, from here to here, you need to know. So 2800, that's perfect. And then I'm going to align this now. There we go. And then I want this one to be all the way to the edge right here. AL. So we need to fill that gap there. So we're gonna do that. And then we need to have an extension here as well. So we're gonna do that as well. So I'm going to add an extension here. So south elevation, extrusion, pick a plane. I'm gonna select this wall right here at the back, and then it's the same material, and then we're going to fill this one now. You can use align to align faces properly, something like that. So I want it to be zigzag, so I have something here going around, going here, and then going around, and then all the way here. So we need to have an extension, a little bit extension here, and then an extension here as well, just a little bit. So we're gonna do that. So I need something wall here. So let's see for second floor if we could just extend this wall right here. Yes, definitely we could just extend this wall. That will look much better. We don't need to worry about anything anymore. So I'm gonna extend this wall around 800. I think that's good enough just for an extension. And then of course we're gonna extend everything else. Okay, so now let's go to south. I'm going to create that same, edit, create an extrusion, pick a plane. We're going to set it here. $200. There we go. Click finish. And then let's align it. Align it to that wall, and you can see how this one is taking shape now. So we could just align it here. I'm going to attach it. There we go. So we don't have any more problems with overlapping. We have that indentation there so that we have something like this here that will look good. And then we're going to extend it a little bit we're gonna create something here, just a bit. I'm going to push it a little bit, something like that, not too much, just half of it, so that once we created the extension, it's not too much. There we go. So now it will go here, going here, going up, and then end it there. So in here, we're going to have something that is going up again. Not sure if we should just extend this one. So we could do that. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. So now we just need to clean this up. Maybe we could just change the size here to be 200 as well for now. To be consistent with others. So I'm going to align it with here and then align it again with this. So everything is consistent, and then we're going to just run it around. So I'm thinking of going here, going up, going here, then going up, or maybe after here we just need to go up and then just go right here. So I'm planning to go model in place again, edit it, and then we're gonna do sweep. So let's go sweep, pick path. So we start from here. So we're gonna do all the lower ones. So all lower portion. And then actually we need to go on this side now. And then from the inner side to the outer side, everything is connected. Pick again here, all the way on this side. So trim it, TR here to be connected, and then I think everything is looking good. And then after that, pick path, edit profile. We need to set a different material. Let's duplicate this, apply OK, and then we're going to add in the design. And then I just want it to be consistent, so I'm gonna offset this one to maybe 25 from the inside. And then we could just SL and then TR, trim and extend. And then delete this. And then now we need to make this one a little bit, so 90 from there. Click finish and then finish. So we have that nice looking form there. So that looks good. We could also add in some lights around if we want to, but for now we're just gonna leave it like this because the look of this is the one that is what we're looking for. So I'm gonna leave it like that. In terms of here, I want to change the material, if we could change it. So here, top rail, we could do duplicate of this. And then we could do this one, same thing. So at least everything is set properly. It's going to be all black, so I'm gonna darken this. And then in terms of all of these faces, I just want, maybe this one is just white, and then this box right here to be wood. So I'm gonna set this one as wood in the next video. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.